Hello, everyone. Um, it has been a very long time since I came back here. I was busy due to service circumstances, and even I'm busy right now, but I have to come here because I'm excited a lot. Today, I basically um, have a great announcement for all my existing members of our Ext community or all the subscribers. Today, as you can see, I'm basically screen recording. Now, there's a reason why I'm screen recording. You'll get to know that. Just you watch this video till the end, and it would be a great uh, announcement for you if you are really a real subscriber or you are a real member of our X community. So in this on your screen, as you can see, there's a mouse cursor moving on your screen. Now with this mouse cursor, I'm going to explain you what X Network is. So basically, X Network is a network under which there would be a lots of, or you can say several YouTube channels, depending on various topics uh, that would be created subsequently in the further time or in future. All those YouTube channels would run under one tag, which would be like Ext Network. As you can see, Ext Man was the name of our channel, but from today onwards, after this announcement, now Ext Man has changed to Ext Network, or you can say I have launched a network under which several YouTube channels would be running under one tag, and different blog sites, social platforms, all those uh, platforms would run under one tag that would be Ext Network. Now let me show you what I have launched today. If you click on channels of my uh, channel layout, you'll find so many channels coming up on your screen. As you can see, these are new channels that I have launched today. So all these channels, as you can see, Ext Medi, Ext G3, and Ext Ocom. This is basically, as you know that I belong to uh, Assam state from India. So all the contents that will be created in the regional language of Assam or contents related to Assam would be uploaded in this channel. So like this, likewise, as you can see, there is XG3. Now XG3 is the channel which would be uploading contents based on geopolitics, geography, and all. And you can see this XMedi, this channel would be focusing all the contents and all my research works about medical science. So these channels are very newly launched, and through this video, if you are watching my video till now, you have got to know how you will find these new channels, which are now a part of X Network. So if you click these channels, now I'm clicking this channel, uh, you can find about this channel in the about section that what this channel is going to be. Now I'm clicking this about option. In this description, you can see it is written that XMedi is the part of Xman Network or Ext Network. This channel focuses more on contents related to medical science. Official channel Xman. So like this channel is very new. As you can see, no videos are uploaded, but this channel would be focusing on medical science contents. Now, if I go back and you can see the other channel is Ext G3. Now, if I click this and go on about of this channel, you'll find that it is written Ext G3 is a part of Ext Network, as I have mentioned to you. Now, I will tell you what is Ext Network later on after this. So watch the video till the end if you want to really know what Ext Network that I'm talking about. So this channel focuses contents based on 3Gs, that is geopolitics, geography, and geology. Now, if you were my existing subscribers who had really interest in watching contents based on geopolitics, what is going around in the world, or you want to know about different places of the world, and if you want to know about the geology of our art, then this channel would be a great point or a meeting point for you. And so I'm going back, and this you can see this is a channel that I created almost years back, but since this channel is ownership is mine, so this would be under X Network. So these three channels right now, suppose Ext Assam, Ext G3, or Ext Medi. Let me explain, sorry, let me show you this Ext Akhom. So I forgot to show you what this description is about. So this is written in Assamese language, basically because this channel would be focusing or targeting the audience from Assam. Now, in the existing, my old channel, in the existing channel, if I upload contents in Assamese language or contents based on Assam, it becomes really confusion for the other audience because neither they get to understand that language, nor they like to watch contents based on Assam. So this is a separate channel where all the audience or existing subscribers who are either from Assam or wants to watch contents based on Assamese language, they can come here in this channel. They will get all the assamese videos under this channel. So these are 3 channels right now, and subsequently it will grow if our network really goes in a uprising, or by your reaction, if it really is successful, uh, then these channels would grow up. Like more new channels about different topics would come out. Like suppose the next channel would be Ext Wild. As the name suggests, wild, that channel would be uploading contents based on wildlife. Like if you are animal lover or you want to know facts and contents based on wildlife or forest, etc., then on that channel you'll get all the contents about that topic. Now these 3 channels, now you have got to know that Ext Network is basically a network of all multiple YouTube channels that I have launched or will be launching in future. Now if you don't know what is Ext Network, you can find this Ext Man channel layout. So in this layout, if you go on about of my channel, you can find the description, and in this description, if you scroll down below, and you'll find these links are given. Now if you are really old existing user or old existing member of our Ext community, you must be checking these links already. But if you haven't, then it's not a big case for me. You can check now. Now these links are about all the social platforms where I am connected, like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and there are also Telegram channel and group of mine. And the links are given. If you click these links, you'd be redirected to my Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if you see on top of these links, you can find this official website. Now this link, if you click official website, let me show you what Ext Network is. Now official website, as you have clicked, there would be an interface on your screen. I mean, my website would be redirected on your screen. And you can see on your screen, this is basically our website that I have launched a month back. So Ext Network, as I've mentioned you about this previously. So Ext Network is basically a network of all those multiple channels and all the social platforms. So all these channels that would be launched, or all the contents that would be launched in those channels, and all the social platforms where the contents would be uploaded to, all those channels would run under one tag, Ext Network. So Ext Network is basically like a brand which I have launched. So under this brand, so many YouTube channels will be running. Since I started, how I started this journey, and how I got the idea to launch a network, all the things are written in this website. If you scroll down, you can find in the description about how I started. As you can see now, this is written, long paragraph is written. You can read by clicking on my website, as I've shown you how you can be redirected to my website. It is given in the description. Now in the right corner, you can see there's an option. So if you click this option, you'd be able to connect with me personally. You can text me, and I can reply you there. So if you scroll down more, you'll find these blogs that I have posted. So this website is basically under development. So not much features are there, but I promise that more features would be added in this website. So this was basically my website and what Ext Network was about. And in my website, or our website, if you look in the right top corner, you'll find this option. Can you see the mouse cursor? This one. So if you click this, you'll get all the option. If you click that, you'll get all the options to my social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Telegram. All these links are available to you if you click that option in the top right corner. Now it's all about the site and what Ext Network is. So it's now up to you whether you can subscribe all the new channels that have launched today, or you can at least promote it so that this network can grow. So this was all about in this screen recording video about the announcement that I have started my Ext Network, which consists of several YouTube channels. Currently 3 channels are there: Ext Medi, Ext G3, and Ext Okhom or Assam. So these 3 channels are now live. So new videos would be coming on these channels depending on the channel, like if it is Ext Medi medical science contents, and if it is Ext G3 geopolitical science and SMEs contents in this channel. So if you are watching this video till now, then it means you are really real Extian, or true follower of Ext community. So let's not make this screen recording and boring video long. So you can subscribe this new channels if you want, or if you don't want, it's up to you. So this is my part of announcing my Ext Network, and about all my website and what would be upcoming plans of mine on this channel. And all we can say is that this Ext Man channel, Man was basically my idea when I started this channel 5 years back. As you can see, if you click this about of my channel layout, you can see I joined this channel 2017 in 2017. So it's 5 years back. But now, since it's not like that we have made 1 million subscribers or 100K subscribers and we have got a silver play button or gold play button, but it's not about that, because it's because I never treat my subscribers as subscribers. I treat every single person who have either subscribed to this channel as a person, a real life person, or a follower of our community. So that's why I never wanted to make this channel grow like viral, like a virus, that new people would come every day and make this channel grow. I never wanted that, because I believe even if it's limited followers or limited subscribers here in this channel, it makes a sense, because those people have subscribed by watching our contents or my contents, and he is really interested in that field. If he was interested in either like comedy or any other subject like for fun, then this channel is not a right place for him. So if he have either subscribed, that means he have interest in science or contents that are really that make sense. Like I don't post senseless stuffs or contents in this channel. So if they have subscribed, that means they have sense. So that's how I keep this channel to up to a limited followers. I mean, we have not completed 1K yet, but it's okay. So anyways, thanks for watching till now. So this was the announcement. You can go on the channel section and subscribe these new channels, and when I will upload new videos would be announced in another video, which I don't know when I would get time to post. But anyways, this was all about today's announcement. So subscribe if you want to, and if you don't want, it's up to you. So that's it.